Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to look at my portfolio website and how I upload my designs to my portfolio website, which we have right over here. So I upload all my designs over here just to maintain my portfolio, and we are going to look at how I did do that in code. So let's jump to my code editor, which is Cursor. So here is the Astro static site generator code that I have. So Astro.build or AstroJS is like a static site generator which generates my HTML and CSS file that you see over here. So it generates all the blog post with RSS, sitemap and everything. So yeah, this is what I use for generating everything. So here we have some source files, and in Astro gives something special called content collections. So you can define your blog post collection, your design collection, everything. So here I have a design collection with all the MD files in design folder, and it defines that collection as the design collection. And I also have blog post collections, which I have right over here, the blog post, everything. So if you take a look at the SRC content design folder that I have over here, it's just a list of markdown files with the images for that markdown file. So it has title, cover, publishing date, which is mostly the same, the date of the file or which when I'm uploading it. So whenever I want to add something new to this, I just come out to this design folder, create a new markdown file, and I'll add my design image over here, and I'll push it to GitHub. And if you can see over here all my commits, so I just push something whenever I have the time. So like this, I added something over here. So things like that. It's easier to maintain everything in this Cursor code editor itself. So if I want to change some design in my website, or if I want to add a new blog post, or if I want to add a new design file, I can just come in here, add something, edit something, and then push it to GitHub. Once I pushed it to GitHub, Cloudflare automatically generates my website and publishes it to pravinjogi.com itself. So it's pretty simple. Whenever I need to add something, I'll just go here, add a new markdown file, and push it. That's all. So yeah, that's it. That's how I push new stuff to my website. So if you're a designer who are thinking about having your own website or portfolio, try out AstroJS. It's very easy to understand, I think, and it has it's free mostly. It's totally free actually, and you can host it in Cloudflare and static site generators. For static sites, Cloudflare is also free. So you can you just need your domain name, and you can host a static site, something like your portfolio, for free. So yeah, try it out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll make a video about that too. That's it for now. Bye bye.